So today we're going to take a look at how you can find the fonts that you may have lost or just aren't appearing anymore in your apps like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Basically apps that you may be on a new computer and you've reinstalled the applications but they're not actually there anymore. So we're going to show you how you can see those. So all you want to do is go or open up your Creative Cloud like so. So here we have our Creative Cloud application open. Then all you want to do is scroll down to managing fonts here on the resource links. You want to click that. Here you're going to see the fonts that we actually have installed. So we can just click on those and see the different versions. But on the side you're going to see previously active fonts. Now all you're going to do is come over here and all you want to do is just toggle these on. So it's just activating, it's going to reactivate these now. And once it's done it just goes away from this section. And you can see we go over to active fonts, and as you can see here is the font. It's now in our active section. If we want to toggle it off again for whatever reason, we can just click deactivate. So that's how you find your old fonts or missing fonts or deactivated fonts. So please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.